think you can see we end up in some amazing places dealing with some amazing colonies. I absolutely know I can speak for everybody involved when I say we thoroughly enjoy doing these jobs. Even when it's in the winter and even when it's against us, we love them. So, it's the middle of December and we are taking honeybee colonies out of a wall. It's not to be recommended at this time of year, but this colony has went, let's have a look, it's went down here, down there, all the way up, and it kicked out to a dog leg up here along, and then it's come along the top. Put some strong boys and some macros in from the floor up to support the weight of the chimney. I've taken out this side of the colony first, well, all the bottom of the colony and all this left hand side, because we knew that this was the brood nest of the heat signature which had been left. So we are left with the process of removing the remaining comb, bees and brood nest. God bless, have a nice day.